In September 2014, we opened the first real-life escape room in Ljubljana, the capital of Slovenia.
It soon caught on among locals and tourists visiting our city that being locked in a room for 60 minutes with a group of your friends
and solving puzzles and understanding codes in order to find the key to get out is actually a lot of fun.
2 months later, we opened our second room, the Classroom of Doom.
Now we have more than 10 rooms that are nearly fully booked every day.
Over 30,000 people have visited us to play our escape room games.
They always live with a smile on their faces.
In less than 5 months, we've become Ljubljana's #1 tourist activity on TripAdvisor.
And we've just opened the very first escape igloo in the world on the slopes of the famous Slovenian ski resort Kranjska Gora.
We are Enigmarium!
We've set out to create fun, engaging and completely original games. We want to make the best escape rooms you've ever played. Are you ready to bring this ultimate experience to your town?